Hello YouTube! Today I went out and shot 3 of my favorite pistols, and I want to go ahead and share with you that experience. I took out the RIA 1911 GI in 45 ACP. I took out the Smith & Wesson SD9VE, and I also took out the Ruger Mark III with some tandem cross upgrades. Take a look. Ruger Mark III, SD9VE, 1911 GI model from Rock Island Armory. They all performed like a champ. The only malfunction, I'm still breaking in the RIA 1911, very minor. This is how the 3 firearms performed. Here we've got the Rock Island Armory and 45 ACP. Doing quite a bit of damage. This is offhand, me shooting offhand at 7 yards. The 20 is there as a point of reference for the size of the group. Here, they all went through the same hole. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, devastating. 8 rounds. Each target was hit with 1 magazine. 8 rounds apiece. Over here, we've got the SD9VE. Got a couple of flyers, but otherwise extremely accurate. A lot of them went through the same hole. Also at 7 yards offhand. 7 yards offhand. A lot of them going through the same hole. 1 magazine each target. And the Ruger Mark III at 7 yards offhand. Very tight groups. Here, several of them going through the same hole.